How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can check or fix the Rust connection attempt failed. Now, the first thing or the easiest thing that we could do is to make sure to verify our game files on Steam. So in this example, we are going to use Apex Legends, but of course, it's going to be the same thing if you have a Rust game. From here, right click on it, click Properties, navigate through installed files, and then select and click the Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now from there, after making sure that your game files is solid, you then want to navigate through this Steam setting. So it's going to be this one. So let me just go ahead and open up my mouse highlight just to show you easily. Click setting right here. Navigate through the in-game tab. Scroll all the way down. And in here, we have the server browser pings or minute. Now, this will go ahead and fix browsing game servers. As you can see right here, you want to choose 500 or even 250 if you are having a connection attempt failed error, making sure that your firewall has access to Rust. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.